Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'll be sharing some Patriotic collections I've purchased this year. I love using Patriotic colors for my cards, so I'm always searching for a good red, white, and blue paper collection. Every year, there are several companies that release Patriotic collections, but I don't always care for the designs. Sometimes the collections are a little too flowery. I've found paper collections that have loose glitter, and I don't like to work with loose glitter. Other times the collections are very Independence Day themed. And I do enjoy that since I will make Independence Day cards, but I also make Veterans Day cards, and I really don't want fireworks or summer images for a Veterans Day card. So I'm always on the lookout for a good red, white, and blue collection, and I feel that this year there were several collections that are perfect. So I stocked up. I decided to share a quick haul video in case other people are looking for a good Patriotic collection. I'll start with Doodlebug Designs' brand new Hometown USA collection. And I will admit, not all of the Doodlebug products are mine. A local friend and I ordered together. Doodlebug does not release a new Patriotic collection every year. I think the last one was at least 4 years ago. So we both ordered quite a bit. The first item is the Petite print 12x12 paper collection. One thing that's great about Doodlebug's Petite print collections, you can use them on their own, and the colors also coordinate with many of their other collections. So you'll find some of the reds or blues might work with a summer collection or a Christmas collection. So even if I don't use them for Patriotic cards, I will find a use for these papers. And of course, we both ordered a ton of the Hometown USA 6x6 paper pad. Doodlebug never disappoints with their adorable collections. The colors are perfect, red, white, and blue all the way through this collection. There are lots of stars, polka dots, plaids. There are some designs that are more Independence Day specific, but with all of Doodlebug's collections, there are still plenty of designs that you could use year-round. In this collection, they did bring in some gray color, which works out really well with the red, white, and blue. There are also several different shades of reds and blues. The paper pad includes several sheets with cut-apart images and sentiments. In the 6x6 paper pad, they do tend to be on the smaller side. If you really like the cut-aparts, you could always purchase the individual 12x12 sheets. I haven't purchased any of the 12x12 sheets yet, but I may of this design since it has quite a few images and sentiments. Here's a sheet with lots of fun borders. This would also be fun in the 12x12 size. Here's another sheet with lots of image and sentiment cut-aparts. There are florals, lots of tone-on-tone designs, flags, fireworks. There is one sheet that has lots of little journal tags. I never use that design, so I'll use the stars on the opposite side. So there's the adorable Hometown USA 6x6 paper pad. I'm really looking forward to using it. And I will be doing a 6x6 video with the collection. I also purchased all of the different ephemera packs. My favorite is the odds and ends since it has all of the really fun images. This year there are 137 die cut pieces. And many of the die cut pieces have a really pretty silver foiling on them. I won't take out all of the die cut pieces, but I did zoom in on the back of the packaging so you can see all the fun images. And I'm trying to show that beautiful silver foiling. I know the light is also catching on the packaging, but the foiling is very pretty. The next pack is Bits and Pieces. This set also has the silver foiling. It includes 66 die cut pieces, Lots of fun fireworks, plus an assortment of tags and other fun bits you can add on your card. The final ephemera pack is the Chit Chat. So this is all the different sentiments, and there are a few images in there. 93 pieces included, and this set also has the silver foiling. Now some of the pieces in the Chit Chat are very large. They would work better on a scrapbook page, but I'll still use quite a few of the sentiments, so I decided it was worth purchasing. Next up are all the fun shape sprinkles and bling packages, and I bought a ton of them. Since most of the cards I'll be making using the Patriotic collections will be going to a nearby retirement home, I can make them as thick and bumpy as I want. The first set of shape sprinkles is called America the Beautiful, lots of little flowers and leaves. Then we have Land That I Love shape sprinkles, several different sizes of hearts and patriotic colors. There are Mini Jewels Patriotic Assortment, Sprinkles Hometown USA Assortment, more red, white, and blue. There's Shape Sprinkles Old Glory. I love all the flags and stars. And then the final set of shape sprinkles is Star Spangled. And it includes a variety of different star shapes in red, white, and blue, and also some of the silver foil. I did purchase some washi tape. One of them is not a new release, but it still works great for patriotic cards. I have Summer Celebration. That's one of the new washi tapes, and the other is Starstruck. I realized I was running low on my patriotic washi tape, so I figured I may as well stock up and get some more. I like to put a strip of washi tape on the back of the envelopes for the retirement home cards. I think it adds that fun little detail. So that's everything I purchased from Doodlebug Designs' brand new Hometown USA collection. There are lots of other items in the collection, so definitely check it out if you're interested. I have a few other patriotic collections to share as well. This next collection is from Scrapbook Customs. It's called 4th of July, and it's available in the 12x12 and also 6x6 size, and I did purchase both of them. This collection does have a few designs that are more Independence Day, 4th of July specific, but the majority of the collection does have designs that you could use year-round or for Veterans Day cards. When I start working on my Independence Day cards this year, I'll also make Veterans Day cards. That way I don't forget when November sneaks up later on in the year. Between Independence Day cards and Veterans Day cards, I'll need around 140 total. So that's why I stocked up on lots of patriotic papers. The next paper collection is from Echo Park. This one's called Stars and Stripes Forever. I did purchase 2 of the 6x6 paper pad, and I've actually already used one of the paper pads with a Pretty Pink Posh collection. You can always check out my blog to see the card that I made. The nice thing about this collection, there are lots of sentiment image cut-aparts. And in Echo Park 6x6 paper pads, they do make those cut-apart images large enough so they're not teeny tiny on your card. It's always nice to have the cut-aparts, makes it super quick and easy to pop together some cards. Now there are lots of other products that go along with this Echo Park collection. There's ephemera, stamps, stencils, but I only purchased the paper pad. I did have to loosen up the binding on the paper pad so I could easily flip the paper, and now some of those papers are loose, so I'll need to be careful that those papers don't slip out later. I've always enjoyed using Echo Park's paper pads, and this one doesn't disappoint, although I do feel it's a little more Independence Day themed, especially with the cut-aparts. But there are still plenty of designs in the collection that would work perfectly for a Veterans Day card. We have stripes and stars, and those are always fun to use, and you can never go wrong with the American flag. The final paper collection I purchased is from American Crafts. This is called Flags and Frills, and this is a 6x8 size paper pad and includes 36 sheets. Unlike the other paper collections that I've showed so far, these are single-sided designs. And with 36 sheets of the larger size paper, you'll have plenty to choose from to make cards. Several of the designs also have some beautiful foiling on them. It's hard to see in the video, but I'm trying to catch the light on them. I purchased 2 of the paper pads, and I really like this collection. There's even a little bit of pink mixed in, which I'm not sure I've ever seen pink in a Patriotic collection, but I think it's a fun little addition. This paper collection also has several sheets with cut-apart images and sentiments. There's the one sheet with lots of different borders. There are lots of beautiful floral designs. Some of them are patriotic. This one is red and white. We have the American flag, tone-on-tone blue and white polka dots. There's red and white polka dots. And here's that sheet with some of the image and sentiment cut-aparts. I'm really excited to use all the different patriotic collections. Some of them I may not get to this year. I'm definitely starting with Doodlebug's Hometown USA first. So hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll be posting a 6x6 video using the collection. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.